Tara mga Tropip, silibot ko kayo sa Philippine Bicycle Demo and Expo 2025. Ngayon, mas iba yung setup nila ngayon. Dito sa bungad, nandito yung bike park area. Tapos, bubungad na sa inyo agad yung registration area. Hindi na natin i-cut to guys, dire-diretso na to para makita nyo yung buong event area. Dito yung registration area. Tapos pwede din kayo bumili guys nung mga merchandise ng Philippine Bicycle Demo and Expo. Ayan. Tapos yung ticket, pwedeng non-demo tsaka demo kung gusto niyo mag-demo ng bike. At ayun. Tapos alam ko may additional 100 pesos para may pasok mo yung bike nyo. Yan. Kayo mga sir. Morning. Ito yung iconic na crank ng Shimano na sobrang laki. Enduro-Ace. Ay sir. Ayan, Philippine Bicycle Demo and Expo 2025. Yun, magkaisa tayo sa bisikleta. Ang daming tao guys, oh. Time check tayo kung anong oras na. 9:21. Ang dami ng tao. Booth ng bike class. Ito, Brompton. Camelback.
Puno nga lang. Idol pa ba?
Uy, sir. Shout out. Uy, sir. Tapos booth ng Comet Cycles. Abus helmets. Let's check tayo dito. Ito, may mga food din dito guys, oh. Napakadami. Black Mamba. CCN. Michelin tires by Chara. Monton, Philippines. Kasi ito guys, oh, yung mga food.
And I love the way that you presented the tagline. Can you tell us the tagline once again?
Oh, the tagline for Insta360X5 is all night, all day, all night, all angles.
Garmin.
All day, all night, and all angles. Anything else you want us to know?
Raptor.
I think that's it. Just visit our booth. Masaya siya.
Insta360.
We will have any inquiries about Insta360.
Yes. If you're facing the stage, they're on the left side in front of Garmin and beside
Cafe Agapita.
Yes. And I've been fiddling around with the X5.
Mag 10 AM pa lang guys, pero napakadami ng tao. This is day 1. Budo sa Lawal. Oy, sir. Built Cycles. Ano nga, sir? Ang daming tao. Hi, sir.
Hello. Follower.
Sir Sarge!
Oy, sir.
Friends from the South, Festival Mall Alabang has a new
Oh, bike sale, ah.
kiosk.
Saan yan? What's the mall? The expansion mall.
Spider Philippines.
Per ground floor of the Festival Mall. Come on down, it's a new store for Insta360, one of the finest brands of cameras for outdoors in the world.
Tapos, check tayo dito.
Alright!
Ito, boot ng Majin. Ito yung malaking arco, laki. Ayun, oh.
Naka-auto na po sila sa
Okay na sila. Okay.
Balik tayo dito guys, may na-miss out tayo. Yung booth ng Star Bike.
Let's just get in. Once again, invite them.
Ganda, oh. Yellow na yellow. Ayan, ito yung booth ng Star Bike.
Fest sa CCT 2025. Visit po our East 360 booth sa booth E22. We have prizes and we have
Doon naman tayo
discounts.
sa kabilang
Alright, thank
daanan.
you so much, Sean. Okay, for the Majin booth, we have here our pro riders already because they would want to compete in the final stage of
JB
the Velocity
Sports.
Race. Yes, it's
Yeah,
happening
JB
here in
Sports.
the Bike Demo 2025 X Majin. Yes, they're setting up the
Supreme Bikes.
T600 trainers. We're going to have the final stage of the Velocity Race, and I can't wait because these are the pro players here in the Philippines. And I'd like to give a big shout out for the ones who participated in the Tour of Luzon. There were 170
Ang daming booth guys.
17 teams
Ito, Colnago.
that joined Tour of Luzon. Our local teams are Standard Insurance
KTM.
Philippines, 7-Eleven Quick Road Bike Philippines, Go for Gold Philippines.
Tapos ito guys, bago to dito na booth. Camera House. Tapos WD-40. Sprinto. Tapos Speed Trail. Yan. Ito, laging present to. Cycle Art. Then, same as yung Neo Sigma, lagi itong present sa bike demo. Ayan. They're the ones who carries Shimano and Maxxis tires. Decathlon, bago din to. Ayan. Decathlon. Ahon. Naka-sale sila up to 70% off. 8A Performance.
Yes, Marco. Sorry. Ano pa hanapin mo?
Ang daming tao. Then, Reuter.
Observation, you know what's keeping me free?
Jisoo Life. Bago din to guys, oh. Ito yung mga electric pa na maliliit, pampalamig. Tapos dito may mga food din. So, kabilaan may mga food area dito. So, hindi kayo magugutom. Then, Suck It and Fucha.
At the 2025 Bicycle Demo Day, you got the Majin trainer at home.
Yes, I'm using
Turn.
the T200, which is one of their base models.
It sounds like a Terminator.
Yeah, basically,
Tapos,
it is the Terminator of the
may nakita ko din akong bago dito na boot.
Everybody's
Parang last time hindi ko to nakita eh.
doing
Ay, hindi.
all these wonderful
Last time yata nandito din sila. Yan, Pearl Izumi. RCBC Bank.
And we're gonna keep this party going up
Santik.
to 5 p.m. today.
all because of our good friends from
Magnus Cycling. Wah, meron dito ano, Brandy.
We got more stuff.
Manic Studio. And Nutrition Depot. Tapos may last pa ako nakitang booth doon. Ito, I think this is their first time na mag-booth sa Philippine Bicycle Demo and Expo.
Oh, wow.
Check natin ah.
The prizes are hollering.
Yung mga bike nito sikat sa pagbibenta ng fixie.
At 10 o'clock
Ito yung Garuda. May booth na rin sila dito sa bike demo ngayong 2025. Ito yung booth nila guys, ang laki.
Oh, thank you
Garuda.
so much for the pizza, the amazing Patricia's Pizza.
Yeah, and of course, from our friends from
Cafe
Cafe
Agapita.
Agapita. Maraming
Sa mga
salamat.
magdedemo pala ng
So you had the
bike,
salted
Yeah.
caramel.
ito yung trail.
Hey, Perbs! Mr.
Ayan,
SMB.
ito yung trail. Siyempre gawa ng yours truly. Siyempre gawa natin to. Ito yung last time na ginagawa natin trail for demo bikes. Ayan. So dito yung entrance. At dito yung stage.
Symbol, come on up to stage. Amot din. Sama amot.
Come on, Alvin. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness.
So yun guys, grabe sobrang daming tao. It's 10 a.m. in the morning. Day 1 ng Philippine Bicycle Demo and Expo 2025.